418 Audit System. With regards to the standards of the auditing system, which of the following describes the objective of a corporation implementing an audit system? Option A. Through testing by the departments that are using the concerned system, one could grasp onto the weakness of the company's network, and from that one could improve the network. So it's to grasp on the weaknesses of a company's network and to improve the network from that. Option B is to deal with the strengths and weaknesses, as well as the opportunities and risks concerning one's company, and set new management strategies and business lines. So we are setting new management strategies and business lines. Option C, evaluating the facilities and operational status of the informational control system in response to risks. Through improving the system, in turn facilitates the improvement in IT governance. In order to grasp objectively the production level for software developments, this is option D, and for the sake of improving the development team's ability, one aims to tackle the higher leveled demanding development projects. In order to answer the question, let us look at audit systems in closer detail. The preamble of the standards of the auditing system notes that auditing system is an effective way to secure the IT service of a company with regards to whether risks that are hidden within a corporation's information system are properly controlled. The implementation of a system auditing can effectively contribute to the realization of a corporation's IT governance, which leads to achieving accountability to the stakeholders concerned. So now clearly we know that the answer is option C, but now let's have a look at the other possible answers. For option A, knowing the weaknesses within a company's network and the ordering of the network environment might constitute an individual aim for system auditing in itself. However, it is not the described objective of the system auditing standards. Option B, this is the objective of a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a structured planning method employed in projects and business ventures. In order to fulfill one's objective and decisions need to be made, SWOT is utilized in order to weigh up the external and internal environments of one's position, the strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities, threats concerning the given situation, in order to facilitate one to reaching a decision that is most suitable and responsive to one's circumstances. Now, what does SWOT stand for? It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, as we see here. And you can build up a diagram. Strengths are the areas that you do well or advantages to your organization. Of course, weaknesses are the opposite, the areas that must be improved. Opportunities are external factors that may contribute to your organization, and you can build them up using your strengths. And threats are potential problems and risks caused by external factors that your organization may face. Option D explains the benchmarking and a corporation's effort concerning the productivity of software development, as opposed to describing the objective of system auditing. Now note, with regards to benchmarking, PMBOK explains it in the following way. Benchmarking involves comparing current planned project practices to the practices of similar projects in order to identify the best practice and come up with strategies for improvement, as well as providing a basis for performance evaluation. The projects used for comparison for the purposes of benchmarking can be from either within the same organization or separate from it, within the same field of application. However, it can also utilize any similar points that applies from a different field of application.